Open this button, pull out the mesh inside, and it turns into a cup holder. You can use it for a cup or anything awkward to carry by hand. Let's crochet it together step by step. Use 4-ply cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Let's start with the flower part. Begin with a magic ring. Pull up a loop and chain 1. Now for the first 3 rounds, replace the single crochets with half double crochets. Yarn over and insert the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's how to make a half double crochet. In round 1, make 10 half double crochets. When finished, remove the hook and tighten the tail. Find the top of the first half double crochet. Slip stitch into it, chain 2. Now we'll make 10 half double crochet increases. That means working 2 half double crochets into each stitch. Work the first increase into the second stitch, then the next one. At the end of round 2, we need to change color. Finish the last stitch, but don't slip stitch, just pull the loop long. Insert the hook through the 3 top loops of the half double crochet. Pick up the new yarn. Pull it through directly, then slip stitch to the first half double crochet as usual. Hide the yarn tail at the back. Then pull the white loop tight. The color change is done. Now let's start round 3. Chain 2, make 1 half double crochet in the first stitch. Make an increase in the second stitch. Repeat this pattern for 10 sets. Next, for round 4, chain 1, we'll start the first petal. Make a single crochet, then a half double crochet, then a double crochet increase. That is 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Then make another double crochet increase. Next, make a half double crochet, then a single crochet. That uses 6 stitches in total. Repeat this petal pattern 4 more times. Next, work round 5, chain 1, make 1 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then a double crochet increase, then another double crochet, then another double crochet increase, then a half double crochet, and finally 1 single crochet. That's 1 full petal. Repeat it 5 times, then cut the yarn. The first flower piece is finished. For the second flower piece, finish the first 3 petals. For the 4th petal, I've worked up to this double crochet here. Now chain 40 stitches to make the hanging strap. When done, slip stitch through both loops. Then continue the rest of the 4th petal. Continue the remaining pattern, a double crochet increase, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. The 4th petal is now done. Next, crochet the 5th petal. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet increase, double crochet, then chain 10. Again, slip stitch through both loops. Continue and finish the rest of the pattern. Double crochet increase, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, cut the yarn. Next, place the right sides facing outward and continue crocheting. Find the single crochet on this petal. Match it to the single crochet on the other petal and pull the yarn through. chain 1, then insert the hook again and make a single crochet. You need to make 38 single crochets in total. The 38 single crochets are done. Next, we'll continue working on just one layer. Again, work one single crochet in each stitch. Once these 12 single crochets are done, find the first stitch and slip stitch. Then, cut the yarn and change color. Insert the hook at this spot between the two flowers. Pull the yarn through, chain 1, then make one single crochet. After that, chain 12, skip 4 stitches. Insert into the next stitch and make a single crochet. Then chain 12 again. Skip 4 stitches. Insert into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern for 9 sets. The 10th set is a little different. First, chain 5. Then yarn over 4 times. Find the first single crochet stitch and insert the hook. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time. Now the first round is finished. Next, we just keep repeating the same process. Chain 1, insert into the space and make one single crochet. Chain 12. Make one single crochet in the next space. Chain another 12. Keep repeating this all the way around. The only thing to note is, for the last pattern in the round, only chain 5, then finish with the long double crochet. Keep going until it reaches the height you want. Now fold it in half. This is our first corner. Pull it across to the opposite side like this. Match the holes 2 by 2 like this. Then place the stitch marker in this hole. The pattern here is a little different. Chain 1 and make a single crochet. Chain 12. Next, insert the hook into this hole and make 3 single crochets. Chain 2, then insert into the next hole, make 3 single crochets and chain 2. After 4 sets are done, come back to this hole on this side and work 12 chains as usual. Next, for these 4 spaces, make 3 single crochets and chain 2 in each one. After 4 sets are done, find the first single crochet, slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now the main body is finished. Next, we'll crochet the straps on both ends. As for the strap length, make it shorter if you want to carry it by hand, or longer if you want to wear it crossbody. Chain 1. Pull the yarn through, chain 2, yarn over, and insert the hook. We'll hide the yarn tail in this stitch. Pull the yarn through, this is 1 half double crochet. Make another half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then pull through the last 2 loops. Keep repeating this pattern. Yarn over and come back to this spot. Then make 2 half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all the loops, then through the last loop. This is the second repeat. Keep going until it's the length you want. When finished, slip stitch into the stitch on the other side, and the cup holder is done. Fold it up like this. Find this opening and turn it inside out. Then fasten the button here. Thank you for watching and supporting me. See you in the next video.